Construction has started for Busch Gardens' newest coaster, Pantheon, located in Williamsburg, Virginia. Incorporating 5 unique ride sections, Pantheon will feature 3 separate launches, a 178-foot, 95-degree drop, coming in at just over twice the height of Verbolten and just under Alpengeist. Speeds up to 72 miles per hour, 2 inversions, and a spike track element leading to a backwards section. Or so they say. Currently, Pantheon is little more than a section of downed trees and some concrete slabs for pylons. But you can still look at the construction starting. You can see the advertised signs for Pantheon from the bridge between Italy and Festa Italia. The new ride will be situated behind Tradewinds and Roman Rapids near the Hallowscream Circo Sinestro grounds. Riding the Apollo's Chariot lift hill or the drop tower will provide great views of the burgeoning construction for curious onlookers. For a less dramatic viewing experience, take the Busch Gardens Railway between the Festa and Caribou stations.
Hold on to your little ones as we begin our path across the 400-foot Line River Crescent.